The economy, the White House calling it an excellent week with gas prices falling, incomes and job numbers going up, and consumer spending strong. But what's behind those numbers? ABC's Elizabeth Schulze is in Washington with more. Elizabeth, good morning to you.
Janae, good morning to you. This is a case where good news for the American workforce might actually mean bad news for the Federal Reserve in its fight to tame inflation. The jobs market is defying expectations despite fears of a recession. 263,000 jobs were added to the economy in November. The unemployment rate is near a 50-year low. And right now, employers in services industries like restaurants and healthcare are hiring big and are struggling to fill open jobs. One way that they're trying to attract workers is by raising pay. We saw that wages last month rose at the fastest pace since the start of the year. As wages go up, that raises costs for employers, and employers often pass down those costs in the form of higher prices for consumers. And this is really where the Fed is in a tricky spot. It's been raising interest rates to try to cool off red-hot inflation. But the reality is that as borrowing costs have gone up, consumers have saved up money and they are still out there spending, Janae.
And so, Elizabeth, should consumers expect those interest rates to continue to rise? And if so, what's that mean for day-to-day costs?
You know, Janae, we've already seen a borrowing cost spike as the Fed has hiked rates 6 times this year. One of the most obvious places is in the housing market. If you are trying to get a fixed 30-year mortgage for $350,000, you're paying about $600 more every single month now than you were at the start of the year just because of those higher rates. Generally, the housing market could be cooling, but the Fed is still looking at the broader economy. And analysts expect that the Fed will hike rates again this month. Most economists tell me it's still going to be a while before borrowing costs start to come down. Whit.
All right, Elizabeth, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.